The Dalton by Alta. A U-shaped 5-story building with adjacent parking lot is located alongside a highway. Icons: equal housing opportunity. A central courtyard features a pool with spraying streams of water. A sign on the building reads Now Leasing. Brown and white blocks of color on the sides alternate. Balconies and rows of windows fill the facade. A corner entry opens to a lobby with stools, coffee bar, computer workstation, and casual furniture. Other common areas hold a table shuffleboard game, couches, chairs, and a kitchen breakfast bar. A pool table stands in an end section of the large gathering room. The mailbox room has banks of numbered boxes. A micro office has room for one single desk adjacent to a meeting room. The workout center has free weights and exercise machines scattered throughout the room. Fans spin overhead. Shade lounges are partially submerged on a shallow ledge in the pool. An outdoor kitchen with grill and breakfast bar has a dining table and chairs. Adirondack chairs rest around a round coffee table on artificial grass in a courtyard. Bikes park in a rack. An upper parking deck provides additional spots for cars. In an apartment, an L-shaped kitchen looks out into a living area. Wood-look plank flooring runs throughout. Brown cabinets and light stone-look counters in the kitchen work well with stainless appliances. Outside the living room, chairs rest on a small balcony. 2 stools pull up to the breakfast bar. A doorway opens to a carpeted bedroom with double window covered in mini blinds. A doorway opens to a bathroom with large single vanity, wall mirror, tub shower combo and walk-in closet that has multi-tier hanging racks. A full-size washer and dryer are located in a closet opposite the kitchen. Distant mountains provide a natural backdrop to the large apartment building. The sun sets over the mountains.